welcome back to my channel. For viewers who are new here, my name is Ridhima and I share videos on home decor ideas, DIYs and few other tips and tricks. Do consider subscribing to my channel. Today is the first episode of Best Out of Waste series. With this series, I'm hoping to give you a few ideas on how to turn a trash into treasure. Let's jump on to the video where I'm working with a cardboard box and turning into an organizer. Let's get started. To begin with, let's take a cardboard box. I have removed the upper flaps of this box. Then take hold of two similar sized cardboard sheets, slightly longer than the cardboard box itself. Our aim is to create something like a bookcase on top of the cardboard box. You will need a third piece which acts as a spine for the case. Before sticking the three pieces together, just make sure everything aligns and is ready to be pasted. I have made two bends here so that it gets easier to fold. Now let's glue everything together. I have used white glue here. Once it's dry, our frame is ready. If you actually have a long sheet of cardboard, it's perfect then. I pasted it as I was running short. I'm just keeping the box inside just to see if everything fits perfectly. I am now going to use a foam sheet that comes along with the Amazon packing. I am going to paste it on the upper portion of the frame to give it a cushioned effect. Once that is done, take a cloth piece and cover the entire frame. I am using both glue gun and white glue here. Make sure the glue reaches everywhere the cloth meets. I have used an old pillow cover here. Sorry that this went a bit out of frame. I'm actually making a loop with an elastic thread and securing it with some hot glue. Now cover the remaining portion with the cloth. Meanwhile, take the cardboard box and cover it in and out of the box. I am now taking one cloth in the size of the base of the box and other four in the size of its sides. It's much easier to stick these first and then move on to the box. Let's now stick everything together so that there isn't a place where the cardboard is visible. Place the box onto the frame and stick the base to the other side of the frame. Now poke a hole to the box and attach a button onto it. You can either stick it or just simply sew it up. Add a few jute strings and a flower to decorate. I have braided my jute strings here. Our organizer is now ready.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. Check out my channel for more home decor videos. I will see you next week with a new video. Bye bye.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.